So we're showing here a cognitive scan and weld application. This could be extended to gluing, welding, polishing, anything we want. But here, usually the operator teaches a path by using 0G and gravity compensation. But then when we move the part, he has to teach again, and that takes another man-hour. So we want to bridge that gap with AI-assisted vision. And other than that, we'll show you a new way to teach a new path without even touching the robot. Let's go to it. So right now, I'm starting my smart weld application. I'll just move my robot. I thought a path for it to weld this way. I'm just going to move my robot, move my part wherever I want, a little random. And you shall see a certain process.
Scanning.
Yeah, so first, MAiRA is beginning to scan the my workspace and my workpiece currently, and it's doing it really fast, and immediately we are doing a 3D scene reconstruction.
Finished. I am
It is done.
the scene. I am estimating the pose.
Now
of
it's
the object.
estimating the pose of my workpiece, and the part, it knows where to weld
Waiting
now.
For the motion confirmation.
It is showing me and it's asking me, is this okay? And I say, well, it looks good. Please execute the weld
I
despite
perform the welding.
not having to teach again. And let's see it weld now. And this welding parameter she has decided for herself based on a previous input. And you should see her weld. Yes. So you could also additionally give more parameters. Obviously the welding angle, the welding speed, turning it on and off. There are things that we want to improve. And of course,
Done welding.
she's just done welding without me having to teach her again. For example, now next I want to show
The
you.
welding program is finished.
Thank you, MAiRA. So the next part, I want to show you how we're going to teach a path. MAiRA is going to track the welding path that I'm going to teach her now by using my finger.
Finger path saved. Please play program.
So just like that, I've taught her how to a Cartesian path without having to fine-tune my 0G. It also does some seam detection and estimates the pose it has to go while it welds. So I'm seeing the weld here, I'm happy with it. I save it, and just like that, I'm going to execute my weld path. So we find it very easy. And this could be also for various scanning paths, polishing. Some people do plastic welds. Of course, there are different parameters.
I am waiting for the motion confirmation.
Thank you. This looks correct.
I perform the welding now.
Okay, now we will see execute the path like I thought. So previously there was a different path. This one I was just freshly taught, and this sequence of course could be refined according to the requirements of our clients, our customers, our partners. That was a very extremely fast weld. Obviously we will
I am done welding.
refine according to the requirement. So that's it. Our cognitive robot welding.
Program is finished.
Yes, thank you.